Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Siri not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17 they are facing an issue of Siri, that their Siri is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're one of them and looking for a fix, so you're in a right video. In this video I will tell you how to fix Siri not working issue on iPhone. First of all, you have to do is check your Siri settings. Make sure that Siri is enabled and configured correctly. Go to your settings, go to Siri and search, and insecure that listen for Hey Siri is turned on. Also check the language settings and make sure it's set to your preferred language. After this, then you have to do is check your internet connection. Siri requires an active internet connection to function. Insecure that your iPhone is running the running con- sorry insecure that your iPhone is connecting to Wi-Fi or cellular data and connection is stable. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update may include bug fixes and address Siri related issues. So you have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of iOS 17.1.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can simply update it tonight. So guys, after this, then you have to do is check your date and time settings. Ensure that your iPhone's date and time settings are accurate. Go to settings, go to date and time, and you have to make sure that set automatically is enabled. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, now then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. To do this, you have to open your general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings. Sorry, go back, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.